when we started this demo. And this one is, as you can imagine, the most difficult one, even for us as a human, okay? So what I would like to show to you, first of all, is that you have here on the JSON the created and review date, okay? Which means that it's very clear to you how much time it took to get the results. And in this case, as you see here, it took 2 minutes, okay? And once again, this is not synchronous, but it's very quick, okay? And you see here that you have Cafe Americano, Red Velvet, Cake, Korma Samosa, Volpi Fizz, with the numbers here, the 60, the chicken pizza, okay, and then the Baristic Coffee Company, okay, and finally the total amount of this invoice, and also the date. The date is handwritten here. So yes, we extracted all of this information, although it's handwritten.